Fourth Industrial Revolution, Industry 4.0. In the year 2011, the German government promoted the idea to computerize manufacturing.
Ich bin hierher gekommen, um mir mal anzuschauen, wie die industrielle Produktion der Zukunft aussieht.
What is this fourth industrial revolution? Let us look at the first three industrial revolutions. Industrial revolution is always associated with production. Production is based on demand. Until the end of the 17th century, production was mainly executed by manual labor and with the help of the cattle. On July 2nd, 1698, Thomas Savery patented the steam engine. This was the first recorded idea to convert heat energy into mechanical energy to lift water. In the year 1712, an English inventor, Thomas Newcomen, created the first practical commercial steam engine. It was used to pump out the waste water from the coal mines. The Savery and Newcomen steam engines only had reciprocating movement. 60 years later, in 1776, James Watt improved the original design to have circular motion. His invention led to the birth of steam trains. The material and public transportation was replaced from animals to the engine and marked the first industrial revolution.
The late 19th century saw the rise of electrical engineering. On March 7, 1876, Alexander Graham Bell obtained a patent for the telephone. This technology propelled the second industrial revolution by allowing people to communicate quickly over long distances. This revolution helped to increase mass production, industrial employment, and academic research. In this same period, with the advent of electronics, machines also started computing from the 1920s. This video was recorded at Massachusetts Institute of Technology in Boston in 1954.
Take, for example, 31946 multiplied by 27189.
Boy, that was a very short fraction of a second to get that answer.
Well, you see, in 15 minutes, Whirlwind can carry out the solution to a problem that would take a person at a desk calculating machine 15 years to do.
Necessity is the mother of invention. While the electronic revolution was spearheading the second industrial revolution, technology reached its heights. The electrical and the electronic circuits became too complex, and a smart solution was needed for a new revolution. In 1967, GM Hydromatic was looking for a new technology that can automate a process without an electromechanical relay-based logic. On January 1, 1968, Dick Morley put his thoughts on a paper and called it a programmable controller. He is known as the father of the programmable logic controller, or PLC. The modular digital controller, or Modicon, was incorporated on October 24, 1968.
Groundbreaking contributions to industry from you to really change the way we live. The Modicon PLC, we talked about Andover and flavors and floppy disk and analog brakes and cool shaft we didn't talk about today.
And we won the Cold War.
And you won the Cold War. You were involved. So these, we feel that you changed our life. You changed the way we live.
I believe that.
Some of us most benefiting from your contributions, from your ideas, are control systems integrators.
Electronic communication and automation brought the third industrial revolution, where energy, transport, and communication were all automated to help the production to meet the demand.
And that is to allocate, centralize, and integrate all our data on one single platform.
The time to network all the players of the past three industrial revolutions had arrived. The time to connect the energy, mechanic, and automation. The time to connect the supply chain components, the time to network globally. The fourth industrial revolution has started. We are ready. Are you ready?